Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Spaceclaim tutorial how to split a body. So as example, I will create a rectangle. You can draw in the top view and click and sketch editing. Use the pull tool to convert this rectangle into 3D. Now if you want to split this body, you need to create for the splitting objects. I will use the plane tools. You can click this icon, plane, and I will select at this face. Next, use the move tools. We can move this plane objects inside the box object. Click outside to apply. Now to split this body, you can click this icon, split body. The next, you can select the objects, and then you can click the planes for the splitting tools. If you done, you can press escape button to apply. Now you can select in it. We have two bodies, solid and solid one. Okay, you can move into another area like in red axis here. Okay, that's it for a basic Spaceclaim tutorial, how to split a body. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.